May agreement tayo with MECO, Manila Economic and Cultural Office. They get the result that they trade mission tayo, DJ Taiwan immediately because March, our continuous engagement with Taiwan and the national government. We are signing an agreement, of course, with our governor, Cecilia Arneta Marcos, for the production of a marketing campaign. Di pa nakabingay probinsya, the responsibility tayo is the local hosting of social media influencers coming from Taiwan. Siyempre, the objective tayo is to promote our province as a destination for travelers from Taiwan, tourists, and business people. We would like to bring them to Lawag, to Ilocos Norte, para tayo campaign tayo to expand our routes. It's part of a larger project. We are meeting also with different parties for the resumption of Kaohsiung Lawag international flights. From Kaohsiung to Lawag International Airport and other East Asian cities, hopefully. It's been a long effort, a long-standing effort, an ongoing effort, continuous work in progress, coming from the administration of Vice Governor Matt Manotoc and now with Governor Cecilia Arneta Marcos. We're continuing to pursue these expansions of our tourism programs. So we're excited. We will be here on October 12, I think, for the filming of materials for the marketing campaign. We will be promoted in Taiwan specifically, but this is just the first step. It takes a deeper concerted effort among many stakeholders, most especially that we want to really fly directly from Taiwan and to cut the pinagbiyahe shortcut, kumbaga. Nakasasidad ni Kaohsiung, less than an hour. And Semi-Pacific flies from Kaohsiung, Manila. And if we're able to fly from Lawag to Kaohsiung, very interesting. And bring people here. And at the same time, para kada tayo, makapagbiyahe tayo ng going out. If it's a charter or if it's a regular commercial flight, that's a very good question because historically, chartered flights, they Lawag in the 90s and early 2000s. But the market and the business model today is really for going for more long-term regular flights. So that's what we're trying to work on. So that it's more long-term and more sustainable. It takes a big effort because syempre pasapol ipakita tayo the readiness, the tourism network tayo. Saan lang ang gobyerno, they can be nang nangunapay, bigiti ang negosyo, travel agencies, hotels. Pasapol na silang sagana tayo to work with our business partners in Taiwan.